everybody, this is me again, and today we're going to look at these animals. See them? They're all made out of toys. So today we're going to learn about animals. So these animals are in the rainforest. So we're going to look at the rainforest animals right there. So there are 8 animals in the rainforest. So let's get started. Okay. So first animal, we have a jaguar. Wow, it looks like a cat, but except he's much bigger. So as you can see, it has green eyes and it has black rings, and it came with a tail. See their paws there, and that's it. So that's the jaguar. Next up, we have an anaconda. Yeesh. Looks like a giant snake of all. So as you can see, it looks like a rope or a snake. Kind of look like a boa constrictor. See, it has this long body. It kind of look like a rope. And it can open its mouth very wide. See there? Let me put a finger on it. Ah! Ah! It bite me! Well, just kidding. Now that is the anaconda. Let's just put it right there. Next up, we have an orangutan. Very nice animal. I just saw seeing the orangutan only at Asia. It's only found in Melbourne Zoo there. So it looks like a furry orangutan, but it doesn't have a tail. So this arm, it moves. So it goes up and down. So it can go backwards. I mean, it can go at the back. So that is the coolest animal. Next up, we have a chimpanzee. Looks very cool right there. So, some reason that chimpanzees only found at the rainforest of Africa. And it's darker monkey, but it doesn't have a tail right there. And that's it. That's the chimpanzee right there. A crocodile is also from the rainforest, even though it's a reptile. So it has scales. That's pretty cool. So as you can see, it has a V shape. Oops. See that? Now you can tell about this. So the alligator has a U shape, but a crocodile only has a V shape. See? And watch this. It can open its mouth. That's pretty cool. You want to see this? You want to see? This? Yeah, very nice. Okay, here we got few animals left in the rainforest. So here we have a flamingo, which is the bird. It has a long neck and pink feathers, and even with a red tail feathers at the back. But as you can see, it can stand on one leg, and it only lives at the river of the rainforest. So that's a really cool bird. Okay, only two more. Here's a gorilla. Oh my goodness. Just look at these chesters right there. And it's very furry. So it only lives at Africa or at the zoo. It looks like a human. And the gorilla is a king. So that's pretty cool. And the last one, we have a tiger. Whoa, check out this. It has what? Hey. Sorry guys, it's just my grandma. Sorry. Okay, so it has some stripes on it. See them? Kind of look like the zebra stripes. A tail just like a jaguar, and it has the gold eyes. So that's very nice. So that's it, guys. That's all the animals in the rainforest. So there are 8 animals there in the rainforest. Now it's a good thing so you can find all these animals at the toy shop, but they're all made out of toys, and usually the animals are living in the rainforest, so that's really unique. So thank you for watching this video. So get all these toys right there, and I'll see you guys next time. Have fun!